In this particular video, I'm going to show you the technique I used to win 15,000 Ghana cedis, and I'm going to show you how I used to predict this game in this particular video. Please make sure you subscribe, you like and share, and if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below. I will reply. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can predict your football games and win, just like the video I showed you how I won that game. And today's is a very good week, and there are some things you need to consider. The league is going to an end, and also some of the teams is already on fire, and some of the teams too are already on top of the league. Let's say they already won the league. Example is Bayern, and we have teams like Bayern, PSG. What we are going to do today is we select very big teams against small teams. Example, let me use PSG. PSG, then you come to standings. PSG is first, and Laurent is 9th on the table. That means PSG is very strong and big team to win Laurent. Let's go to another example. Let's use Bayern to do example. Bayern is first, or is at the top of the league, and has already won the league. And you see, we have Hendenheim on the last of the table. But today it can be, or it could be, that Bayern will be using some players like this. You see, small players, or some not their first 11, because since they have Champions League to play, and we also have teams like Barcelona standing on first, and here Barcelona won this win to secure the league completely. So I think they will force and win Osasuna no matter what. That's how you can predict these games, big teams against small teams, and how serious they are. You know, Arsenal supposed to win, or they will try their possible best to win, because they want to win this league. So Arsenal versus Fulham, they will win this game because they want to win the league, and they are only 3 points ahead of Man City, and Man City have a standing match. So that's how I think you can use this technique to win bets. Like I just won last week, so this weekend too I try and select such game. But it's not only the top 5 league you can use to do this. You can go to the small leagues. Example, let me go to team like country like Belgium, and let's see the team on top. I mean, the first against this one. This is not the main league, so I don't think we should bet on this one. Let's see, you can check these games. These are not the first team. I mean, we are betting big team against small teams. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, okay? Thank you for watching.